welcome back to Old Country Cooks. I'm Chef John. We're going to do a quick video today. I'm going to make some baby back ribs in the Masterbuilt electric smoker. So let's come down here and let's do this real quick. Okay, instead of pulling the skin off, today we're just going to do some cross cuts across the back. Then we're going to go this way. All right, we're using bourbon mustard full binder. Use what you like. I'm just gonna get some on here. Just rub it in real good. We are outside, excuse the flies.
We haven't got them trained yet.
Use your own mix. I'll leave the recipe down in the show more what we used. All right, put these in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, and then we'll get our smoking going. All right, these been in the fridge for about, I don't know, 4 hours. We're ready to get them in the smoker. We're up to temp already. We're already smoking, and we're using applewood. These gonna be in there for at least 2 hours. Go into the smoker. All right, it's been 2 hours. Let's go ahead and get this out. Good smoke on here. Stand to the side like last time it blew out in my face. We'll sit them right here on the front of this table. Oh, these look good. Let Rebecca do a close-in shot. Okay, I already have some brown sugar and butter down here. I also have some sweet bourbon barrel aged syrup right here. So we're just going to pour some of that on here. My table's leaning just a little bit. We're going to go ahead and get one of these. We're just going to go ahead and get one of these ribs. Set it just down like that right there. Try to keep this from going everywhere. We're just going to go ahead and flip it over. Just like that. We'll go ahead and take some more brown sugar. Just put a little bit on the back. Again, my table's kind of leaning. I'm going to keep them in there. A little more brown sugar back here. A couple of dabs of butter. More of this honey, more of this maple syrup. All right, give this one a wrap. I'm gonna do this side first and how it's rolling that way. I've got two. This is heavy duty aluminum foil. I'm gonna put 2 on it. So I have 4 already sitting down here, so I'm ready to go. Again, this is heavy duty full double wrap. And we're gonna go put them both in the back in the smoker. Still on, the whole cook is 275, so you don't have to change nothing. So let's go ahead and get these back in the smoker. And you don't need to add any more chips because it's not gonna smoke through this foil. Make sure you put it in both side up so all your stuff don't leak out. All right, you really don't need any more smoke right now. It's not gonna penetrate that aluminum foil. And you can continue to smoke right near the end when we sauce it and you put it back in there. That's up to you. But right now, you really got your smoke. It'll only take so much smoke anyway. And we just did a good two hour smoke, so it's not gonna hold much more than that. Okay, Rebecca likes Sweet Baby Rays. So we're just gonna put them back on the pan that we were cooking off earlier. If you want a fresh pan, that's fine. It was up to temp, so I don't think there's no harm in it. It's out, the aluminum foil out of the way. Woo! Rebecca likes Sweet Baby Rays, so that's what we do. We do Sweet Baby Rays. You can make your own sauce. We'll post some sauce that we've made before, but I'll have to redo some that our other channel was stolen. Just take your brush, get it all over it. Put as much or as little sauce on here as you want. You can always go back and re-sauce when you're done, right? Some people like to put some on their side to dip it in. So we just want to get it to cake to it some, so we're going to put it back in there again at 275. Bad boy, good. Beautiful color on them. Remind me about 30 minutes, maybe 15 to 30 minutes.
Face your rib.
Get your hands messy.
Get it all up in your face.
Very good.
Baby back, Sweet Baby Rays.
Very good.
Yeah,
Tender.
All right, guys, you got the lowdown on the ribs. Rebecca's gonna take us out of here. Ready, go.
Once again, thank you so much for joining us. Please watch this video, share this video, give us some thumbs up, ring the bell to get notifications of all of our videos, leave us a comment, and most important, don't come back.
Bye.
Bye.